friends, once again welcome back to Active Education Pro. Today I am going to do plotting on number line, means how to plot on integers on number line. In my last video already we have discussed about integers. What is integers? Again I repeat in this video. Integers means it is a number system which has negative integers, negative numbers, zeros and positive numbers. Means integer is a collection of numbers. It has negative numbers, positive numbers, also zeros. So plotting of an integers on a number line, and in a number line integers means the mid position is 0. Suppose this is a line and this mid position is 0. If you move towards right side, then you get the positive numbers. If you move left side from 0, then you get the negative numbers, which mean the negative integers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the whole numbers. Otherwise from 1, these are the natural numbers, the real numbers which included in integers. Integers means all numbers, all whole numbers or all real numbers are integers, because from 1 to start and 0 to start, all the numbers starting from 0 and starting from 1, all the whole numbers and all the real numbers present in integers. Integer is a number system consisting of positive numbers, negative numbers with 0. So all the whole numbers and the real numbers present in an integer number system. And from left side of 0, when you move left side from 0, then you get the negative integers -1, -2, -3, -4, ... and the number is go on, because you will never get the maximum number or minimum number, means minimum negative integers or maximum positive integers. It is not possible to detect, to identify the maximum number and the minimum number also with negative sign. So how to plotting a number line? With some examples we will solve one by one the problem. So first example is 3 less than -5. Example is just like that, 3 less than -5. How to plot this number system on a number line? 3 less than -5. Again I repeat it, less than and more than. When you move in a number line, when you move right to left, then it will decrease its value. 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1, it decreases the value. When you move left to right, it increases its value. You get the you get the successor one by one. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, we get successor. When you move left to right, you get the successor, and when you move right to left, you get your predecessor number. And predecessor number means decrease its numerical value, and when you move left to right, increases its value, because successor is greater than the number. Okay, successor is greater than the number. So now 3 less than -5. Less than means decreases its value, so that's why you move to right to left. So that's why you will move right to left. So first draw a number line which have -5, and yes, 3 less than -5 means you have more 3 places, because you move here right to left. So obviously you need more 3 places or more than 3 places, so that we will move smoothly to your right, from your right to left. Suppose this is a number line and this is 0, 1, 2. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, and so on. Look here, why I keep it, means why at the right side of 0 I just keep 2 positive integers, but left side of 0 there are many number of negative integers. Why? Because as per our question requirement, I noticed here the negative integers or positive integers. Here 3 less than -5, so that you will move from -5 to left position. -5 to its left position, because less than means it decreases the value. Less than means it decreases the value, so that you move right to left, and -5 to left. -5 to left, how many places? 3 places. 3 less than, so 3 places. So you need to 3 places move. This is 1, 2 and 3. So your answer is -8. 3 less than -5 is -8 is your answer. If you denote here, suppose this is a number line with equal numbers of positive integers and negative integers. This is -5, draw here. This is -5, -6, -7. There are no more spaces. Okay. So that how could you identify, how could you mark this number -8? Because there is no more spaces for -8, another integers to left of -7. So that as for your questions requirement, you have to mark, you have to keep the numbers, positive numbers or negative numbers on a number line. Then next example. In the same example with the opposite meaning, means less than, not less than, this is more than. 3 more than -5. 3 more than -5. Draw a number line. Zero, 1, 2, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Look here, 3 more than -5. 3 more than -5, so that you will move left to right. So it is not necessary how many places present at the left side of -5. This is -5. There are two integers, two negative integers present at the left side of -5, and so many integers present at its right side. Here you have to move left to right, because questions given to us more than -5. 3 places more than -5, so you move left to right. -5, 1, 2, 3. So your answer is -2. 3 more than -5 is -2. This is your answer, -2. So I kept more integers, I kept more spaces towards right position, because we will move here left to right. 3 more than -5. Another example. 7 more than -11. 7 more than -11. Draw a line. Look here, more than -11. More than -11, always keep in mind when it given to us more than, means you move left to right. When it gives less than, you move right to left. Here more than -11 means you have to right side of -11. You have to move right side of -11. So you have to keep more integers towards right side of -11 and less integers, minimum integers, 1 or 2 or 3 integers towards left position of -11. So here this is -11, this is -12, -13. And when you move left side of an integers, then you get, at the case of negative integers, you will get a higher numerical value. Means 11, this is 12. 12 is greater than 11. But -12 is less than -11, because you move right to left in a number line. The number is -12 and -11. When you move right to left, you get the less number, you get the decreasing number, you get the predecessor number. But if you compare the numerical value only 12 and only 11, then you will get the higher numerical value when you move right to left. This is, look here, this is 11, 12, 13. So obviously 13 is greater than 11, but -13 is less than -11. With the negative integers, with the negative signs, the value will decrease, absolutely. But otherwise, the numerical value, if you consider only the numerical value, then the number will increase when you move right to left. Let it. Now comes to our questions. This is -11, and when you move left to right, then the numerical value will decrease. This is minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. This is minus 2 and this is minus 1. Look here, in this number line, there is no positive integers, there is no zero. As per our questions requirement, as per our needy, as per our requirement, you have to place the integers, positive integers or negative integers, whatever it may be. Look here, in this example, minus 11, the starting point is minus 11 and you have to move left to right because questions was to get more than 7 places. 7 places more than minus 11, so you have to move from minus 11 to 7 places towards right side, so first move 7 places towards right side from minus 11. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So place is minus 4, so minus 4 is your answer. The number minus 4, the negative integer minus 4 is 7 more than minus 11. And another one thing, please denote with an arrow mark so that you will know your direction, about your direction, in which direction you move, left to right or right to left. When you are going to present a number, an integer on a number line, always have an arrow mark so that we will aware about the number, the side, the direction in which you move. 7 more than minus 11. Another one example. 9 less than 5. Look here. 9 less than 5. Less than means you have to move right to left and the starting point is 5. So first draw a number line and keep it here 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and so on. This is positive integer 6. Look here, you have to move 9 places right to left from starting point 5. This is a starting point 5, this is a starting point 5 and you have to move right to left means in this direction, right to left. 9 places, you have to skip, you have to jump 9 places. So first skip 9 places, first move 9 places in the direction of right to left. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is minus 4. Look here, as per our requirement, I denote here this is 5. There are some positive integers and also there are some negative integers. Absolutely equal number of integers. Approximately equal number of integers the number line has. As per our requirement, you have to keep, you have to denote, you have to mark on a number line positive integers or negative integers. Another one, 4 more than minus 4. More than means you have to move left to right. So draw a number line. The starting point is minus 4. So this is minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. If the number of places you have to move is less or the number is small number closer to 0, then you take both positive integers or negative integers. Look here, in my third example, this is minus 11 which is not closer to 0. So here there is no 0 present on this number line because as per requirement you have to skip 7 places, you have to move 7 places left to right and the starting point is minus 11. So here we cannot point out the number 0 or any positive integers. But look here, in this example here the number of places you have to move is slightly less than 7 or 9. so it is less. And another one thing, -4 is closer to 0, so it is a number line which has both positive integers and negative integers, because it is possible to draw 4 more than -4, means -4 is obviously closer to 0 rather than 5, -11 or anything. And 4 places you have to move, 4 places you have to move left to right, so it is easy. So now move -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and your answer is 0. Your answer is 0. This is your answer. 4 more than -4. Your answer is 0. Okay, so these are the examples on plotting of integers on a number line. In my next video, we will know, you will get details about the properties and the sign rules, the operation calculation on integers. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, comment on my video, and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.